Orubiro rkikorwa katano habwa sako ya Inward kandi urukorirwa hishamero rya Kibura Girls School awembarira yo mwaka 2026 yinguziwe. Orukiko rushikirwemo umureberezi wa North Ankole Right Reverend Amos Magezi kandi ayorekera kusakweji yatandikire.
Sakweji emyaka itwakwasa kugira ngo operatingire fully n'imyaka 5 yonka. Abo kuweka tandika 2020 omu November konka okutandika business impango kandi yamani was 2021 kustia hati 2026. So emyaka 5 na mukaga nibwe tukubarira Sakweji.
Okurigira Bishop Magezi Sakweji yariyone kurakura speed yamani bwanyuma yo kutandikana ba memba 37 kandi hati yasya ba memba 13.
Abo kikatandikana ba memba 37 hatarwa abantu abarengire 26. Ekatandikana na shares zemitwaro nkanshanju hati yayitugambira 1 billion Uganda shillings. Savings is kaziri nchenge mitwaro 80 atinabwe tuyaruka 1 billion.
Mbarira yo mwaka 2026 eyinguziwe kandi abebembezo ba Sakweji borekero kusako eizere nekora.
2024 December katwine miliyoni 4 chinananisha. Katwine billion by the closing of December 2020. Savings of December we are using the Zahabu. Because I was supposed to have January, so we had very little, 381.
Budget yetu kumara jicheze maja provinganisho hoza yayo tuenda tukore milioni 8. Na ngwanyo mkaja ntago nchitakusia ka 1p. Ito tukakete ndakuka Patrick T yaja, if you want to compete with Stanley that you are support. Twayoro kuka umetoyitu ichumchoto kwenye
na rate of growth ya Inward Sacco. I may use a complicated one but positive, in line of positive. The rate of growth in the few years to reach at 3 billion loan portfolio something.
Kurigira hamujanye mukuru Reverend Canon Nathan Bobs Mwesije, Dean wa St James Cathedral kanenzarwa yibanda Sakweji ekatandikwaho kutungura entasya omumaka.
Nabo cyo ninshaba ngo omuntu wona araba ari mu rokoro community nabasa ku accessinga amani gasako agitahemu akandugomani kandi naniwe wamba uri musako hatkandi uya mukazaroni kandi utakanyaga hatwo kunyaga sako hategwa kananiwe ati abantu ekikira munonga tuganzya esente nobuzire kuzagura itaka obunde sente ziyayo kuza kwera abana konko kikaho obundo nyohonka maru.
Harikiko habireho okuragurira abantu abwabusha okwebembirwe irwaro rya Christian Corps.
Abantu chebera endwara zitaro zimwe na zimwe nka pressure, sukari, kwegesa kw'India kandi itwe Christian Corps tuyirwaro erukora abakazi neyinere specialty yitempango n'abachara okuzara no kuzabana.
Amakuraga gashakwa Timothy Mushabe.